All right, today I'm taking a look at the United Cutlery Lord of the Rings Anduril, the Sword of King Elessar. Yeah. It's definitely easier with two people. So I'll get to this in a minute, but this is the sword, and it is pretty incredible. You can see all the etching. Just the length. I can't even show the whole thing without hitting my light. But yeah, that is a beautiful thing. And one of the weird things about, like, even just looking at it in natural light, the pommel, like, it almost looks black most of the time, but if you actually look at it, you can actually see that it's the full-on metallic. It looks just like the rest of it, but it's got that really neat effect. You can see stitching right here, but on the other side, it is nice and clean. So this is definitely the display side. But you can also tell right here, this is where the branding is on this side, and if we flip it over, all that is gone. So this is definitely the display side. But yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful sword and extremely long and somehow still possible to hold. And then this is for mounting it to the wall. You can see the mounting hardware we got here. So we got these hooks that will screw into this board. And there is the plate. See, that is an absolutely beautiful looking plate too. So the hooks screw into pre-drilled holes. There's one here, and then the sword will sit right about here. My girlfriend wanted me to tell you that the symbol on the back, that's the White Tree of Gondor. Now this is dull, as it's supposed to be. The point is still very, very sharp. So you could definitely do some damage with this if you really wanted to. But yeah, I mean, the overall effect of this sword is just that it's extremely good looking. It's extremely big. This is the biggest sword that we have right now. And it just looks beautiful. Like, I think even just the handle by itself looks really, really nice. So yeah, overall, that's an awesome sword.